Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transform your Canva designs into a document with only one click. So here, I've already opened the design that I want to change into a document. So what you need to do is click on the magic switch button at the top, this one. But if you cannot find it at the top, you can just click on the three dots icon and you'll find magic switch. Click on that. So this is the new feature in Canva. You can turn your design into a summary, blog post, or song lyrics. So let's try it out. Click on the transform into doc. Just change the or select the text format. So I'm going to maybe click on summary here. I'm going to use summary and click on transform into doc and just wait until Canva change it into a document. So now it's done. You can just click on open doc now to see the result. So since I choose summary, Canva will summarize the design like this. So I think this feature is pretty useful for me, and if you like with the result, you can just download it right away. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.